Hapadang ka Jingwan ban pen klanya ki kendon yada na ka Jingwan Rung Kyrthep ki Mynder bat poi wirsha ka jala Meghalaya kam tam haringkat ka Jingya chakmat ka Jingkendang Mynderi ha Assam uba ILP u MLA ka BJP na pentor kra bat Menteri Beri Khmi ya katanat Fisheries ulaong baga Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act ka don ka ju ka Thmu Kumba long ka inline permit. Kani ka jing pensngau uba ILP ka long hapadang ka Jingwan dawa ka bajor ban pentri kam ya ka ILP ha ka jala pada ka pen pau jing kersan ya ka MRSSA ulaong baga don ka thong banyada ya ki riulum klam da pentot ya ka kam jungok kai perthai.
We have a very good mechanism to bring the MRSSA that it can be controlled the influx to the state of Meghalaya. And it's good for the tourists and it's good also for the local people. The MRSSA mechanism also is one of the good. Just try this. I'm telling you, it is a great, immense help for the local people, for the state of Meghalaya to control the influx. Subject is same. We want only to control the influx. If we have this mechanism, why we want another mechanism? Let's have this mechanism and we control the influx and the safety of the tourists who is coming from outside and also safety of the local people. Yes, that's why we have to bring the sub-mechanism, not MRSSA. So it will be protect the influx to the state of Meghalaya, not only for the tourists which I told before, even for the local people also. And also we empower to the Shillong, we empower to the people, the homestay people, we empower everybody to check the influx.
By when it will be?
So that's just, our government, we will discuss this in the cabinet immediately to place this.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.